Everybody knows how important it is to change the line on your fishing reel. It gets old, it gets baked, it gets stiffened. And I'm going to show you just the easiest way in the world to get rid of this old line. Make a little tool and it's good forever. So watch what I do and copy it, and it makes taking this line off less tedious. Okay everybody, I've cut this piece of old plastic pipe. It's about 11 or 12 inches. And this is a 1/2 inch. This is a 1/2 inch piece of wood, and this is a 1/2 inch piece of pipe. Doesn't quite fit. So I know that measurements are a little weird, but I'm going to take this piece of string. And I'll just kind of wind it on. This is going to be just about right. Yep, it's pretty good. Good enough for me. The reason I picked a 1/2 inch is because most of the chucks on the electric drills are that size. And we're going to make this contraption here that the fishing line slides right off of. It is so fun and so easy, and it saves a bunch of money. We don't have to go to the tackle store. You can buy your fishing line online, or you can buy it at any cheap box store that you choose. So, does it fit? Yeah, look at that. You know what I think I'll do next is put some glue on it, and then I'll stick it in there, and probably won't come out. I think we'll drill a little hole. And then when we start our unwinding process, we'll put the line in there. It doesn't have to be very pretty, as you can imagine. Put this in here. That's about it right there. We're pretty much done. Take this guy out, and we'll open this up. Oh. Does it fit? Perfect. And we'll put it on the faster speed. Okay. So this was a 1/2 inch piece of wood, and this was an old piece of scrap PVC pipe. This is some pretty slick sandpaper. It's a real fine grit, 400. So let's see what we can do here. So I'll put this in here. And we'll tighten that down. And then I'll take the end of this old fishing line, stick it in there, like so. And then I'll spin it a little bit. Whoops. Okay, so you just kind of stand there and hold one in one hand and then this, because it's that slick PVC pipe. Ready? How about that? And that's as easy as it can be. And you can have this thing forever. And it lasts indefinitely. I have a drill press. It has a slightly larger chuck, and this is the one that I use. And this is the one that you can use. It works fantastic. The other methods I've seen, people use a spool, an old spool that they keep, and they wind the line on that. But this is, I even saw somebody that used a soda bottle and wound it up on that, threw the soda bottle away. Thanks for watching. See you again.